Hello, kiddos. This is Unit 5, Lesson 31, Day 3, textbook page 330. Today we're going to be classifying quadrilaterals. It says create a Venn diagram to show the hierarchy of quadrilaterals, rectangles, rhombuses, and squares. Look at how you could show your work using a Venn diagram. So we have the large box for all quadrilaterals. Then inside the large box, we're going to get more specific. So we create these two circles that are overlapping, these two ovals that are overlapping. One's labeled rectangles, one's labeled rhombuses, and then you have squares in the center. Squares are in the center because they contain both the properties of rectangles and rhombuses. So it goes in the center. Rhombuses do not contain all the properties of rectangles and vice versa. Let's look at number 8. It says, look at the tree diagram below. Write a statement about the relationship between trapezoids and parallelograms. The relationship between trapezoids and parallelograms. All right, you might be able to say that all parallelograms are trapezoids because of the way that the tree diagram flows. All parallelograms are trapezoids. You could also say only some trapezoids are parallelograms if you want to think about it from a different viewpoint. Let's turn to page 331. Create a Venn diagram to show the hierarchy of the quadrilaterals in the chart. So in this one, you could create the Venn diagram, something like the one that we had on the previous page in the example, because it does say Venn diagram. So I would like for you to pause the video. I would like for you to answer this question and then resume the video. So this is the Venn diagram that I created. I have trapezoids, and then parallelograms, and then squares. All squares are parallelograms and trapezoids. When you get to parallelograms, not all parallelograms are squares, but all parallelograms are trapezoids. Let's move on to number 10. Look at the flow chart. Which statement is true? Circle the letter of the correct answer. Did you select B? B is the correct answer. Right here, B. All quadrilaterals are polygons. Brad chose C. All quadrilaterals are trapezoids and parallelograms. How did he get that answer? I would like for you to pause the video, answer the question, and then we will resume. So a possible answer for Brad choosing C was that he thought that the most general categories were at the right and the most specific were on the left. So when he was right here at quadrilaterals, he was thinking this way was most general, where this way is most specific. So right up here, if you need help remembering this, and you may have made this same mistake that Brad made, then you need to make these notes. So, most general are to the left of the boxes, and the most specific are to the right. And he got it backwards. All right, so I would like for you to do pages 353 and 354 to practice your skills that you have gained today, and then we will go over those pages as soon as you are ready.